Assalamu alaikum students. Today we start the new chapter, that is input and output devices. Okay, this is your fifth chapter according to David Watson book, and page number is 51. So let's start. So we know very well those devices we use to enter data into the computer, and that is called input devices. So first device I want to talk about, that is scanner. Okay, so this is a scanner. Okay, so a scanner is just an input device. So that mean we do use this to put data into the computer. The function of a scanner is they can take a hard copy, which could be a photo or any document that may be your photo, and you don't have a soft copy and you want to edit, so you can actually take that photo and you can make it into a digital form, digital copy or soft copy form. Okay, so with that you can edit it, and you can store in your computer. Okay, so basically through scanner you can transfer hard copy images or document on paper to your computer. So basically there are two types of scanners: 2D scanners and 3D scanners. Okay, so we are going to look at firstly 2D scanner. So 2D scanner are simple scanner use light to make a digital copies of real world objects. 2D scanners are usually used to make digital copies of your document or pictures, but can also be used to create a 2D image of objects as well. Okay, so now next is, so here are the steps or stages of basically to scanning or any document. So this question basically come in your past paper, and in this question that came, you had to just identify the stages, in which stage number is this, the first stage or second stage or third stage. So first we discuss these stages one by one. So the first stage is, first the cover of the scanner is lifted, then the document that you have to scan is placed on the glass plate, after which the cover of the scanner is closed. Now a very bright light falls on the document through the xenon lamp, and this xenon lamp is in the present days scanners. Before that the cold cathode was used to for bright light. Okay, after this the scan head is a part of a scanner, so the scan head move across the entire document and create an image. After that you can see the picture here, that here are the fixed mirror and movable mirror. Okay, so uh, that the mirrors are fixed or placed at certain angles. So the image is sent to a lens using these series of mirrors. Okay, so now lens focus the image, and after that CCD, what is the function of the CCD? So CCD is the CCD basically charge couple device, is a circuit, and that is used to determine what's on the image. Okay, maybe text or maybe any photo. So basically CCD convert light into the electrical charges, which it then sends to your computer. So now focused image, come to your stages. Focused image fall on onto a CCD, and CCD is made up of thousands of light sensitive elements, and we can say pixels. Okay, so each element or pixels, we can say, of CCD create an electric charges, and then um, convert it into digital form, or we can say that send to your computer as a digital data. So these are the steps or stages are included during scanning. So now next slide is OCR. OCR, nowadays computer equipped with OCR, or you can install app of OCR in your mobile. Basically, OCR used scanned text can be converted to text file format, and OCR is used to edit text file. Actually, flatbed scanner bring your file in image form or non-editable form. Okay, and but OCR software used to scan text can be converted to a text file format and edit in any word processing software. Okay, like MS Word. So this is the 2D scanner, or we have discussed here OCR. Okay, so now we will meet in the next video. Jazakallah.